Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Maths Together. Now children, you might have watched my earlier videos and now today we are going to learn how to find the area of a triangle. Now children, you know what is a triangle? You might have studied in the previous classes when a closed figure which is bounded by three straight lines is called a triangle. A closed figure which is bounded by three straight line is called a triangle. एक closed figure जो तीन तरफ से एक straight line से bounded है उसे हम लोग triangle कहते हैं. Let us see how to find area of this triangle. Let us draw a triangle. This is a triangle. This is the height of the triangle and this is the base of the triangle. Okay, we have to find area of this triangle. So to find the area of this triangle, what we will do? Area of triangle is equal to half multiply base into height. Half into base into height will give us the area of triangle. Here this is the height and this BC is the base. Clear children? Now when height and base is given, then we can find the area of the triangle by this formula. But if height and base is not given, if this height is not given but three sides are given, then how come we find the area of triangle? तब हम लोग area कैसे find करेंगे जब हमारा triangle का height नहीं दिया हुआ है तब. Now in that case we have to use other formula and that formula is Heron's formula. Okay, now let us see that. This is a triangle whose all the three sides are different and its height is not known. Okay, let us find the area of this triangle. So to find the area of this triangle, we are going to first find the semi-perimeter of this triangle. To find the semi-perimeter, what we will do? We will add all the three sides and divide by 2. Semi-perimeter is denoted by small s. A plus B plus C by 2. तीनों साइड को ऐड करके 2 से डिवाइड कर देंगे तब हमें मिल जाएगा सेमी पेरीमीटर. अब जो फॉर्मूला यूज करना है दैट इज कॉल्ड हेरॉन्स फॉर्मूला which will give us the area of this triangle. This is Heron's formula. This will give us the area of triangle when the height is not given on all the three sides are known. So we have learned how to find area of a scalene triangle. Now let us see how to find area of equilateral triangle. बच्चे आप लोग जानते ही हैं कि equilateral triangle क्या होता है. जब एक triangle का तीनों sides समान होता है मतलब बराबर होता है तब उसे कहते हैं equilateral triangle. Let us make an equilateral triangle. This is an equilateral triangle जिसका तीनों साइड बराबर है. अब इसके फॉर्मूला किस फॉर्मूला से इसके हम एरिया निकाल सकते हैं? एरिया ऑफ इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल इज root over 3 by 4 into side square. This is the formula we are going to use to calculate the area of an equilateral triangle. And this formula children, ये formula कहाँ से आया है? ये formula भी ये एरिया ऑफ स्केलेन ट्रायंगल के फॉर्मूला से ही आया है, हेरॉन्स फॉर्मूला से ही ये फॉर्मूला आया है. अगर हम यहाँ पर जब तीनों साइड हम इक्वल ले लेंगे तो बी की जगह भी ए हो जाएगा और सी की जगह भी ए हो जाएगा, तब अल्टीमेटली सॉल्व करने के बाद हमें यही फॉर्मूला मिलेगा. ठीक है, तो इसी को हम कहते हैं, इसी फॉर्मूला से हम इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल का एरिया फाइंड कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू सी हाउ टू फाइंड एरिया ऑफ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. कॉपी डाउन दिस चिल्ड्रन. Area of right angle triangle. To find the area of a right angle triangle, this is, you know what is right angle triangle? A triangle whose one side is whose one angle is 90 degree is called a right angle triangle. A B C, ये एक right angle triangle है, B पे 90 डिग्री है. ओके, तो इस ट्राइंगल का, राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल का एरिया निकालने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? सेम थिंग, हाफ इनटू बेस. BC इज द बेस इनटू हाइट, और वी कैन राइट हाफ इनटू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू sides. This is the formula to find the area of right angle triangle. Now after this children, see we have learned, हमने यहाँ पे देखा कि हम कैसे एक नॉर्मल ट्रायंगल का एरिया निकाल सकते हैं, फिर कैसे एक स्केलेन ट्रायंगल का एरिया निकाल सकते हैं जिसके हाइट नहीं दी गई है. उसके बाद इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल का एरिया कैसे निकाल सकते हैं, स्केलेन ट्रायंगल का एरिया कैसे निकाल सकते हैं, और राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल का एरिया कैसे निकालते हैं. अब हम आगे इन्हीं फॉर्मूलाज को यूज करके हम ट्राई करेंगे सॉल्व करना न्यूमेरिकल्स और सम्स. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू डू फ्यू सम्स रिलेटेड टू दीज फॉर्मूलाज. ओके चिल्ड्रन, चलिए अब हम कुछ सम्स देख लेते हैं. दिस इज अ ट्राइंगल हुज बेस इज 12 सेंटीमीटर एंड इट्स हाइट इज 8 सेंटीमीटर. व्हाट इज द बेस? 12 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. We have to find the area of this triangle. So since base and height both are given, we can easily find it by using the formula half into base into height. Half into base is 12 centimeter into height 8 centimeter. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, so 6 8s are 48 centimeter into centimeter square. So the area of this triangle is 48 centimeter square. 48 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. Okay children, now this is a triangle. In this triangle you can see 3 sides are given. The height is not given. One side is 26 centimeter, other side is 28 centimeter, and the third side is 30 centimeter. Here the height is not given. So when the height is not given, then we have to use the Heron's formula. And to use the Heron's formula, first we have to find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means half of the perimeter. And how to find the perimeter of a triangle? By adding all the 3 sides. So we will first find the semi-perimeter of this triangle. Here side A is given 26 centimeter, B is 28 centimeter, and C is 30 centimeter. Semi-perimeter S is A plus B plus C by 2. A है 26 centimeter plus 28 centimeter plus 30 centimeter by 2 will give us how much? 26 plus 28 plus 30 is going to give us 84. 84 centimeter by 2, which is 42. So 42 is the semi-perimeter of this triangle. Now this value of semi-perimeter we are going to use in the formula. Area of triangle is equal to root over S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. What is S? 42. Then 42 minus 26, 42 minus 28, and S minus C is 42 minus 30 centimeter is square. This is 42 minus 26 will give 16. Then 42 minus 28 will give us 14. Multiply 42 minus 30 will give us 12. Now 42 is 6 sevens are 42. 16 is 2 8s are 16 we can take, okay, or we can take 4 4s are 16. 14 is 2 into 7 and 12 is 2 into 2 6 are 12 centimeter square. We can factor this. Let us reduce it to prime factor. 2 into 3 into 7 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now we are going to make pair of this. 2 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 times 2 is given, so we will write it how many times? 4 times, because we are taking the pair. Now 3 is given 1 and 1 2 times, so 1 3 will be taken. 7 भी है एक और एक बार, तो 7. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ गया? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 into 7 3s are 21. It is 336 centimeter square. 336 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. This is how we have to calculate the area of scalene triangle when the height is not given by Heron's formula. Okay children, I hope you all have understood. Next we are going to see how to find the area of a right angle triangle. Okay, this is the third question children. You can see, as you can see in the diagram, this is a right angle triangle. Angle B is 90 degree. So this triangle is a right angle. AB is 5 centimeter long and BC is not given. So we have to calculate, and AC, which is the hypotenuse of this triangle, is 13 centimeter. So we have to calculate the area of this. Now the basic formula that is used for calculating the area of a triangle is half into base into height. Half into base. Is the base given over here? No, not given. And into height. Height is given. So first we have to calculate this base. Okay. Two sides of the triangle is known. Two sides of a right angle triangle is known. The third side we have to find. तो third side find करने के लिए क्या करेंगे हम? Pythagoras theorem use करेंगे. Okay, according to Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Now from this formula we can easily calculate this BC, which is the base, or BC will be root over AC square minus AB square. Now let us take the values. What is AC? AC is 13. So it is 13 square minus what is AB? 5. So it is 5 square. 13 square is 169 minus 5 square is 25. So it is 144. Root over 144. And what is root over 144? Root over 144 is 12 centimeter. So 12 centimeter is the base of this triangle. So the length of BC is 12 centimeter. Now we have calculated the base. Now we can easily put this value of base in the formula and going to find out the area of this right angle triangle. Area of right angle triangle is half into product of two sides. Which two sides, children? The sides, जो sides ये 90 डिग्री एंगल के दोनों साइड में है, ये वाला साइड, हाइपोटेन्यूज नहीं, जो 90 डिग्री के दोनों साइड में साइड्स है उसका प्रोडक्ट लेना है. हाफ into product of two sides, that means 5 centimeter into, we have calculated this 12 centimeter. So it is 6 5s are 30 centimeter square. So हमारे इस right angle triangle का एरिया आ गया 30 centimeter square. Children, as you can see in the diagram, you can see that this is an equilateral triangle. See, all the three sides are equal. This sign has been given to show that all the three sides are equal. तीनों sides बराबर है. 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. AB is equal to AC is equal to BC. All are 6 centimeter. तो ये हुआ हमारा equilateral triangle. अब यहाँ भी height तो दी नहीं हुई है, तो हम कैसे calculate करेंगे इसका area? एक तो हम जैसा पहले कर चुके हैं, हेरॉन्स फार्मूला से भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, या फिर जो हेरॉन्स फार्मूला से ही डेवलप हुआ है एक दूसरा फार्मूला रूट ओवर 3/4 इंटू साइड स्क्वायर, उससे भी कर सकते हैं, जो ज्यादा इजी होगा. ओके, सो लेट अस फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल. Area of equilateral triangle is root over 3/4 into side square. Root over 3/4. Root over 3/4, and what is the side? 6 centimeter. So root 3 का वैल्यू होता 1.732/4 into 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So 1.732 into 9 centimeter square, and 1.732 into 9 centimeter is 15.588 centimeter square. So this is the area of this equilateral triangle, which we have calculated using the formula root over 3/4 into side square. Okay children? ओके, चलिए बच्चों, अब हम ये भी देख लेते हैं कि हेरॉन्स फार्मूला से हमारा ये आंसर आता है या नहीं आता है. आप सोच रहे होंगे कि क्या ये इस इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल का एरिया हम हेरॉन्स फार्मूला से कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. तो चलिए देखते हैं कि हेरॉन्स फार्मूला से हमें करेक्ट आंसर मिलता है कि नहीं मिलता. हम यही ये ब्लैंक स्पेस में साइड में करेंगे. हेरॉन्स फार्मूला के लिए सबसे पहले हमें सेमी पेरीमीटर निकालना है. सो एस इज, तीनों साइड को प्लस करेंगे, 6 सेंटीमीटर प्लस 6 सेंटीमीटर प्लस 6 सेंटीमीटर is equal to divided by 2. So it is 18 by 2, 9 सेंटीमीटर. अब एरिया हो गया रूट ओवर एस, एस माइनस ए, एस माइनस बी, एस माइनस सी. एस इज 9, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 6. 9 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now this is 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 3 और बाकी और 3, 3 times 3. So we have got 5 3s. So we'll make pair. ये दोनों का स्क्वायर रूट हट गया, 3 into 3 हो गया और बाकी ये रूट 3 के ऊपर स्क्वायर रूट बचा हुआ है. So अब ये 3 into 3 9 हो गया, into root 3 is 1.732. 9 into 1.732 is 15.588 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सो बच्चों, अगर आपको ये इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल का फॉर्मूला लर्न नहीं है या आप भूल गए हैं या किसी कारण से आपको याद नहीं आ रहा है, तो आप उसके जगह में हेरॉन्स फॉर्मूला का फॉर्मूला यूज करके भी आप इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल का एरिया फाइंड कर सकते हैं. So I hope children that this chapter, this concept of finding the area of triangle is clear to you, and you all have enjoyed watching this video, and do like and share and subscribe my channel. Okay children, and bye for now. Bye everybody. Thank you.